Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the CloudLibrary app on your mobile device. CloudLibrary has thousands of ebooks and audiobooks you can access for free with your Link library card. The first thing you'll want to do is download the CloudLibrary app. You will find it in the App Store on iOS devices and in the Play Store on Android devices. You can also install the app on a Kindle Fire, and the instructions for that are in the description below. Once you've installed the app, go ahead and open it. If you are prompted about notifications, you can choose to allow or don't allow. Tap the screen to continue. Select your country, select your state, and select your library. Remember that we are in Link, Libraries in Clackamas County. Tap Next. Tap Accept. Enter your library card number and PIN, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. If you need help with your account info, please contact us. You are now ready to use CloudLibrary. The first thing I recommend doing is setting up email notifications. Tap on Account, then tap on Notifications. Turn on email notifications, then enter your email in the email address field. Then tap on Save. Now you will receive emails when books are almost due and when your holds are ready. Happy reading!